And then we're going to move on to the no wipe top coat, lay right on the top of unclear condensed glue gels and the precision glue gel to stop and help to prevent from catching on the clothes or hair or anything. So start with really is thick densities condensed glue gels. We are going to using this twin tip brush and apply a smaller amount, really thick. So then when you get your condensed glue gels, you will be like, oh my god, it's so thick, but it is supposed to be thick, so then it can hold your crystal, your charms in one place. Okay, all right. Thin coat and no wipe top coat right on the top, floating. And I have my beautiful centerpiece, the Radiance Charms. And then I'm gonna add some cute glow in the dark from a glow in the dark crystal kits like size SS 10 to 12. This is fun and simple basics of the crystal placement. You can definitely rock it. Okay, this is the grape. Oh my god, it's matching with the grape, so when it's changing colors, it's gonna look so stunning. I'm gonna add some beads on. If you don't want any beads on, you can definitely skip it and then just clear. You'll be ready for the precision glue gel. If you decide to add some beads on to make it look like a fun, like a jewelry finish, absolutely can. No one can tell you what you cannot do. I'm gonna use some gold beads right here. I also like a lot of colors of beads, like a silver beads or a rose gold. The best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to set until you're like happy with your designs. You have plenty of time in the world to really adjusting it like however you prefer. So don't worry about like if it's not going to go the way you want it. You can just, let me see if I have the room for this beauty to stay. Fabulous. So happy with this. I'm gonna make sure that it's not crooked, and then you can able to like just set it and let it cure. I'm gonna put a couple frames in there because I'm so obsessed with this frame, and I'm gonna add it on. Does anyone want to see like a butterflies, like a dramatic nails? Let me know, thumbs up, so then I can do the next one, dramatics with lemon nails. Like put the lemons, butterflies, and 3D crystals, like really look like a fantasy nail. So let me know, thumbs up, so then I know that you like to see that, and I can able to fulfill your requests. Oh my god, I can sit here all day and do this beauty for you. Add a little bit crystals on. So as long as you get a centerpiece, a lot of questions asked how I start with the crystal placement and is really easy to do or is too hard to do. Really easy. I have to say, I'm not going to lie to you. So all you need to do is getting your centerpiece. So it doesn't matter if your centerpiece is heart shape or drop shape or radiant shape, which is get it the centerpiece first, and then you can get your SS around and your frame, your beads around, and you make sure you connect them tight. So the closer, the tighter they are together, the better, and the long lasting your crystal is gonna be. So wipe up on the edges. So before you cure, just dust the excess, you know, like condensed glue gels, and no wipe top coat. Okay, so cure for 60 seconds.